Today we're going to show you how to make Play-Doh.
First, you need to get the ingredients. You need 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of salt, 1/2 cup of water, your choice of food coloring. For us, we're using purple.
First, you need to add the flour. Next, you need to add the salt. Next, you need to pour the water. Next, you need to stir it. It should end up looking like this. The next step is to knead it with your hands. When you're done kneading, you need to add food coloring. Depending on the size, you should probably add 10 to 30 drops. When you're done, it should end up looking like this.
Now we're going to compare the Play-Doh.
You like better?
Probably.